Hey everybody, you want to make money online? You want to make some big bucks? Dollar bills, y'all. What I've been doing for the last 6 years has been working for Cambly. Cambly is one of the best ways you can work online. So let me explain a little bit about it to you. You have to be a native speaker and you can work anywhere in the world, anywhere. And what's really good is if you live in an economy like I do, I live in Ecuador, that is lower than the United States income, it's great. They pay very well and they pay continuously. Every single week or every 2 weeks, every month, however you want to set it up. It's awesome. Cambly is one of the best things that ever happened to me living abroad. All you got to do is make a video. They give you all the examples that you need. You go on their website, cambly.com, and they'll give you every bit of instruction you need on how to make money online. You make a video, submit it. They're going to let you know within a few days. If you make it, you'll get an email and you can start working right away. All you got to do is chat with people. And if you have background in teaching, then it's going to be great. I have a referral link that's in the link below, so check it out and put that referral link in, and that'll get you access to where you're going. One of my things is you make friends, you have a lot of people you talk to, and over time, it's just a great way to make a living. I absolutely love it. So when you have time, check out Cambly.com. Also, thanks guys for being here. I appreciate you very much. Check out my other channels, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Tim Talks Podcast. And don't forget to check out cubtoken.com, the Cub Token Project. And don't forget to check out my guys, Photos 101. They do all the editing. They are amazing. They're wonderful guys. Check out their link as well. It's below. Have a great day, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao.